day, my friends. How are you doing? Welcome to our channel, the 10x Crypto Academy channel. If this is your first time, please like, share and subscribe. Every content and information that will be given to you on this channel today is for educational purposes and entertainment, so it's not financial advice. Today I'll be showing you how you'll be able to add liquidity to the 10x crypto token which has been created. Under this our platform, you can also get different educations on the different trading strategies we use, different Bitcoin and digital assets education, the right software we use, the right mindset to develop, and also the right practices and methodology you need to put in place. Aside from that, we have other educations about real estate, we have other educations about how to build and make good choices that is going to turn out to give you good results in your life. So today I want you to share this information to your closed ones. I want you to also like this information and also to subscribe so that whenever we drop any other information, you'll be able to know about it. So I'll be dropping the link, and also by the end of this video you're going to see my icon, my image icon. You can click on it to subscribe and be a member of this community. Today I'll be showing you how to add liquidity, and also I'll also drop the link to our Telegram group chat where you're going to be getting valuable information and content. This information is very important that you be part of the group chat, because on the group chat I drop links on how to be able to claim free tokens worth $2,000, $1,000, and also a lot more. I also share opportunities from high prestige crypto investors based in the Dubai and also some in Canada who will be able to get you involved in their foundation. So wherever you're ready to teach and also grow your knowledge in the crypto sphere, you'll be able to join this community of global speakers and also men of high prestige, people who like the crypto business very well. You'll be able to join them and you'll be able to know more about it. This is our community. I'll drop the link on the description center, and you'll be able to know more about this our community. Here we're going to drop valuable content happening in our country, and also the update. Here is an update about the CBN bank, about their new policy with Burundi change, and the solution to solve it right now is crypto. So I'll be dropping the link on how to join our crypto education, our crypto platform, the 10x Crypto Academy, whereby you're going to gain access to the different education that will help you to fulfill the desire of knowing more about trading, about blockchain technology, about tokens, about wallets, etc. So I'll drop the link. You have to click on the link on the description to be able to get this information. After the payment has been confirmed, you'll be joined or you'll be added to the paid students group. Here you can see that a lot of people have been commenting good reviews about our updates. You can see signals that I sent, and we're making profit from the signals. I have a paid students group whereby my students get signals. You can see people are rushing to join this group every single day, and we plan to hit a community of 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube and also 9,000 members in our group. So I want you to click that link today and also join. I got updates that a lot of people have been creating groups on WhatsApp and asking for investment opportunity with my name. Right now I don't have any WhatsApp and I am not asking for investment opportunity, but a lot of people have been doing that, so I don't have such group. I am here to give you education. I am here to give you guidance on how to be successful in the crypto market and make passive returns. So head to the wallet, Trust Wallet, which we are using to add the liquidity to a certain coin. I want to teach you how to add liquidity to coins. So today we have BNB. BNB is very necessary to add liquidity to a coin, and the particular coin I'm going to add liquidity to is the 10x crypto token, the 10x CA token. Here you can see I have 10x, where I have 100 XCA. I will be adding liquidity. Why is it important to add liquidity to a token in from an exchange. Why is important? Because when a lot of people transact on that token, you get paid a certain fee, you get paid a certain amount as a reward for adding your money to the liquidity of the exchange to enable people to buy and sell freely. So it's very good you go to poor exchanges that don't really have a lot of liquidity in a certain coin, and add liquidity to them, so that whenever transaction is done within those two coins, you'll be able to earn some commission. And even as the coin is increasing, you earn more money. As the coin is increasing, the commissions you earn will increase times 2. So it's very important to know about this. So we head to the app. If you're an iPhone user, the D app section, you have to watch a video on YouTube on how to add a D app. And then if you're an Android user, you don't have any worries with that, you can head to Pancake. While you are going to use Pancake, you can use Pancake, or we can scroll down to Popular. On Popular, you can see Pancake Swap. You click on Pancake Swap, or you scroll down to exchanges, and over here exchanges, you click on Pancake Swap. So we click on Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is an exchange that was created for the BNB network to help swap coins in the BNB network, because a lot of coins have been created in the BNB network, a lot have been created in the Ethereum network, and a lot are to be created in the other network very soon. So right now we come over here, we click on liquidity. You click on liquidity. We don't want to go on the swap. We click on liquidity. Meanwhile, if this is your first time, you have to connect your wallet. There will be a button to connect your wallet over here. You have to click and connect it. And also you have to change this icon from the BNB coin to the Ethereum, so from the Ethereum icon to the BNB icon. Then you click over here, add liquidity. You click on add liquidity. Click on add liquidity. Okay, good. So here we have to choose 2 coins we need to use to add liquidity to this business. So you click on select a currency up here. Like I said, you need BNB and 10xCA token. Then we click on BNB over here. Click on BNB. And then we go below here. We select the second coin we want to use to add liquidity to the exchange, Pancake Swap exchange. Let me see. I scroll down and you can see 10xCA. 10xCA over here. I click on 10xCA. I click on 10xCA and it opens up. So now they ask me which quantity of 10xCA and which quantity of BNB do I want to add into this liquidity. I want to add the total 10xCA I have. So if I add the total 10xCA I have to this pool, I'll be also adding 0.001 BNB to the pool. I'll add also 0.001 BNB to the pool. More 10xCA you add, the more coins you add to the pool. So now we click on enable XCA. We click on enable XCA. And we approve the transaction. You have to approve the transaction with BNB. Click on approve. So by adding liquidity right now, any transaction that is done, I'll earn 11.09% of the pool, the share of the pool. There is 100%. Okay, transaction receipt has been approved. They have accepted my 10xCA, so I need to then pump in my 10xCA and the BNB into the exchange. Okay, I clicked on supply and this came out 0.39. You receive 0.394495 BNB pool tokens. Output is estimated. If the price changes by more than 12%, your transaction will retrieve. So I deposited 0.001 BNB and I deposited 100 10xCA, and in return I have the high probability of earning 0.39 BNB. Is this not amazing? You put in 0.001 and 100 10xCA and you have the high return of earning 0.39 BNB. That's close to $100 to $150 worth of BNB I'll be receiving just by adding liquidity to this. So I'll click on confirm supply. Yes, I want to confirm supply. And then over here they'll ask me to put approve, because I need to add the BNB now and some fees to approve it. So I approve it. Okay, so the transaction has been approved, so I have to close now. And then I will. Good. So the receipt have been added, the transaction has been added. You can check it out here by clicking this clock icon. So I added BNB and 100 XCA. How I got to see this is by clicking this clock icon. You click on it, you see the record. You can also click on here to see the receipt. You can also click there to see the receipt of. To take you to BNC scan, you'll be able to see the amount of liquidity you added. You can see that it was successful. I added it to pancake swap, and from here more liquidity will be added, and as more liquidity is added, you'll be able to then come back and extract liquidity, but a certain percentage you'll be able to extract. So you'll be able to earn such BNB, 0.39 BNB. Then I'll go back to my wallet and then I'll refresh. Okay, so I've refreshed my wallet and my token is now in the exchange, and also the some BNB is now in the exchange as liquidity. So with time you'll be able to withdraw this your profit of 0.39 BNB, but you're not going to be able to withdraw everything. You're going to be taking 50% per day for the whole BNB you're going to receive. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you watching this video to the end. I hope you share this video, you like, and you subscribe to our channel. Many more blessings and more progress to our dreams and our passions. Thank you, and God bless you.